Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a stunning animated invitation card in Canva. It's perfect for weddings, birthdays, or any special event. First, just open your Canva and then tap on Create. And then choose Videos. And then choose Mobile Video. After that, you can add a background. I will search for one in Elements. I will choose this one. And then adjust the size so it fits the video frame perfectly. Next, I will search for Open Envelope. And then choose the one that you like and add it to your design. I will choose this one and then I will remove the background and I will change the color. Then head over to apps and then search for choppy crops. This one, just click it. This tool lets us slice the envelope into parts. Just crop the envelope like this. I will adjust the positions, match the original. Now let's insert the invitation card. I will upload my invitation card. And then resize the card to fit inside the envelopes and position it like this. Next, just duplicate the page and slightly move the card upward to create the animations effect. And then duplicate the page again and adjust both the card and envelope positions like this to continue the motions. Now click between the pages, this one, to add the transitions. And then choose Match and Move. And set the durations to 2 seconds, like this. And then just apply between all pages. I will adjust the durations like this. And then for the final touch, let's add some sparkles. Just search in the element. Maybe like this. And here's the final result. And that's it. You have created a beautiful animated invitation card using Canva. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.